All right. So grabbing a Smokehouse apple. All right. It was pretty apple. It was discovered in Lancaster County, Pennsylvania, like in the early 1800s. It's uh, it's a nice heirloom. It's a bit susceptible to most of the apple diseases: fire blight, powdery mildew, scab. You can see some scab right there, but it is somewhat resistant to cedar apple rust. Um, anyway, this ripens in late October here in central New York, and it's November 5th today. Give it a bite. Mm, I don't know. Still very nice. Good flavor to it. It's a little bit acid, but very sweet and nice, nice strong flavor. Mm. And it's got very dense flesh too. Will make it really good for baking. Also, I'm enjoying eating it right now. Anyway, so that's Smokehouse.